Yung isang ticket nagkakalaga ng $45 for one adult. Pero yung ticket na pinurchase namin sa may Orchard, Lucky Plaza, meron na siyang kasamang sea aquarium plus yung cable car. So Mount Faber Line saka Sentosa Line. So after natin dito, punta tayo ng cable car.
Adrenaline rush experience ba ang hanap mo? Or you just wanted to conquer your fears of heights with a view? Then, this adventure is right for you. After an experience on marine life down under, let's take the next adventure on Sentosa Island skyline. I'm your Nomadic Juan, and this is Singapore Cable Cars.
Kamusta mga Juan? I'm your Nomadic Juan. Ang good travel day ng mga puso, and we're back with another video. And so for this video, explore natin ang cable car ng Singapore, Mount Faber sa Sentosa Line. So first stop, dito muna tayo sa may Sentosa Line. And later on, punta tayo ng Mount Faber Line.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free.
So ayun mga Juan, nakapasok na kami. And this is the Sentosa Line. Actually, pag sumakay ka ng Sentosa Line, makikita mo yung Sentosa. So tingnan natin ang aerial view ng Sentosa.
These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights.
Ang Sentosa Line mga Juan, mas maliit siya compared dun sa Mount Faber Line. So yung cable car ng Mount Faber, yan o, pakita ko sa inyo, yan yung line ng Mount Faber. So yan yung ilalas natin. So from Harbor Front siya going dito sa Sentosa. Andito tayo sa may India Lookout Station na. Hindi ko natanda kung ilang stations to eh. Shoutout nga pala sa S. Gunsado na siyang sponsor ng ating mask. Wow, sponsor! Sana all!
I have found a place out of time and space, far from city.
A permanent fixture on the Singapore skyline since 1974, the Singapore cable car is one of its most exciting experiences. The Mount Faber cable car line links mainland Singapore to the buzzing Sentosa Island, while the newly added Sentosa Line is an intra-island line and covers the length of the Sentosa Island. The colorful cable cars dot the skyline and offer a fantastic panoramic view of the city.
Ayun, so andito na tayo mga baba na tayo. Nakababa na tayo ng Sentosa Line. Punta naman tayo sa Mount Faber.
Tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find
Di namin alam kung saan papunta. Kung saan yung way papuntang Mount Faber. So hanapin muna natin. Sabi ni ate, akyat daw muna. Tapos daan ng car park. Tapos likod ng Starbucks. Yun na yung ano. Yun na yung Mount Faber line. May unggoy. Punta ng gift shop tapos one level down. Andito na tayo sa may Mount Faber line. Tara, pasok na tayo. And we are going.
I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights.
Start your Sentosa experience on a high by riding the Singapore Cable Car Sky Network from Faber Peak Singapore into the island. En route, take in the view of Resorts World Sentosa's Adventure Cove, Sentosa's lush jungle foliage, and surrounding coastline. With 6 stops to choose from, this is the perfect way to explore Sentosa's multiple attractions.
So pag sumakay ka ng Mount Faber line, makikita mo yung bird's eye view ng Sentosa. Ano, sa likod ko. Yun, ganda.
We are now passing over the waters of Cambridgeshire.
Butik nakakalula.
Faber was once the heart of a major shipping port. Ancient seafarers around the region have navigated these waters. The British
Meron ako ano sa... Meron ako ano sa heights eh.
only leisure
Pag sumakay ka ng Mount Faber, ang baba na nito papuntang Harbor Front. Pero kung two-way yung nabili yung ticket, babalik siya ng Mount Faber. Yan na yung Harbor Front Station. Pero babalik tayo ng Sentosa. Ganda.
Lahat tayo, we have our own fears. Fears of height, fears of closed spaces, takot maiwan ng jowa, takot sa iisipin ng iba. And the later strikes me the most. Now, I'm going to ask you a hard question that's going to put everything into perspective for you. Would you rather be comfortable or happy? Sabi ko sa sarili ko, happy. I would rather take the risk and be uncomfortable right now so that I can find happiness later than settle for something that's comfortable but I'm not happy. And that can be a job, that can be a person, that can be a relationship, or that can be the city you live in. Pwedeng kahit ano. Pero ang tanong, would you rather be comfortable or happy? Because I think you want to be happy. Maikli lang ang buhay. Piliin mong maging masaya.
And we are about to reach Sentosa Line at doon na yung end ng journey natin. At sobrang ganda ng experience ng cable car ng Singapore. So pag pupunta kayo dito, try nyo din ang cable car experience ng Singapore. Advice ko sa inyo, try nyo ang Mount Faber line kasi yun yung pinaka-the best. Kasi yung Sentosa line, medyo mababa lang siya, tas maikli. Pero yung Mount Faber line, talagang makikita mo yung bird's eye view ng Resorts World saka ng Sentosa. That's the best. Pero yun nga lang, pag meron kang natakot sa heights, fear of heights, gaya ko, ano yung bird? Nakapanghina ng tuhod.
Nanginginig ka na ngayon eh.
Kaya nga eh. Yan. So, the best yung experience guys. Dahil hindi pa tayo makapag-travel, so explore muna natin yung mga adventures saka tourist destinations saka attractions ng Singapore. At isa yung cable car dito. So, sa series ng mga vlog ko, yun muna yung i-feature ko for now hanggat hindi pa tayo nakapag-travel. So, I'm your Nomadic Juan. ang inyong Hugot Travel Bay na may puso. Huwag niyong kalimutang i-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel and i-press niyo na rin yung notification bell. And yun, see you on my next vlog.